importante para keda hidrata y bebe agua.
When you get really dehydrated, the blood volume is lower, and that's going to lead your heart to have to beat faster to circulate enough oxygen to your body.
Si no bebe suficiente agua, es por tan malo para tu salud y para tu corazón. Agua te ayuda a tu cuerpo a mantener una temperatura normal.
Also, when the blood volume is down, you still have the same number of cells in your blood, so the viscosity in the blood will go up, and that can even lead to the blood pressure going up.
Comenzar a beber agua por lo menos 3 horas por mes cubo sali, limita el consumo de cafeína y alcohol, y consumir electrolytes.
And that can be by eating salty food like chips or electrolyte drinks, or even some of those supplements you can put into your water. Because at some point, if you're only drinking pure water and you're sweating a lot, your sodium level is going to drop, and that can actually be dangerous.
Mi Fabiola Angela Hernandez, Patria Noticia.